Unraveling the Phrase Anthrax. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the meaning and usage of the phrase anthrax. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is and how to use it correctly in a sentence. Anthrax is a term that might sound mysterious, but it's really a name for a specific type of bacteria and the disease it causes. Anthrax is a serious and potentially lethal disease caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis. It mainly affects livestock, but humans can also become infected. It is not a term for everyday casual conversation, but more often used in medical, scientific, and sometimes news contexts. Anthrax can be contracted in a few different ways. 1. Cutaneous anthrax. This is the most common form. It occurs when the bacteria enters a cut or abrasion on the skin. 2. Inhalation anthrax. This form occurs when someone breathes in the spores of the bacterium. It's the most deadly form. 3. Gastrointestinal anthrax. Contracted by consuming undercooked meat from infected animals. 4. Injection anthrax. This is an artificial form caused by injecting drugs that have been contaminated with the bacteria. It's important to note that anthrax is not spread from person to person, but through contact with spores, usually in soil or from infected animals. Given its context, anthrax is not commonly used in daily conversation. However, it's essential to understand its usage when encountered. Here are some example sentences. 1. The farmer was worried because one of his cattle showed signs of anthrax. 2. Medical professionals wear protective gear when handling samples suspected of containing anthrax. 3. A historical fact. Anthrax was once researched as a potential biological weapon. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase anthrax. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and context. Always remember the importance of being informed and using terms appropriately. Stay curious, and happy learning!